back to Better Kansas City. The holidays are upon us. Drinks, parties, ugly sweaters, and best of all, food. So much glorious food. All right, Tim Tuohy of Kansas City Canning Company is joining us now in the Price Chopper Kitchen. Going to show us how to make baked brie with the bourbon peach preserve. First off, how did you get into canning? Because when I think about canning, it's my grandma and my mom canning vegetables, green beans, and the whole...
And that's basically how I got into it. I grew up doing it. I'm from New Jersey. That's why I talk like this. And my dad had a garden. Our neighbors had a garden. At the end of every growing season, we would get together and put a bunch of stuff in jars. Fast forward, and here we are.
And here we are. And this is, you're just celebrating your 4th anniversary of Kansas City Canning Company, and you called it a...
Canniversary.
See, that's how I know Tim and I are going to be friends here on the show today.
Yep.
So congratulations on 4 years, though, really starting to take off. And let's go ahead and get started on our brie here. And maybe while you're doing that, talk a little bit about what you guys have going on for this holiday season.
Sure, absolutely. So with the brie, and the reason that we're doing this is because there are going to be a lot of holiday parties coming up. We want to have something nice to put on the table so that everybody can get in there. And what better way than to throw a block of cheese covered in puff pastry?
I mean, I can't think of anything.
If you're going to do it, you might as well do it right.
Go big or go home.
Exactly.
So you've got some brie. So it looks like you've cut it in half.
I'm building it upside down.
Okay.
So we got the top of the brie on our puff pastry. And the puff pastry is just a store-bought crescent rolls.
Okay. And you just kind of rolled it out there on
too crazy. Yep.
Yeah.
Rolled it out, cut a little bit off just to make some room. And we're going to spread our vanilla bourbon peach preserves.
And this is your peach preserved here. Let's show people that there. So is this one of your more, best or better selling
this is
preserves?
The vanilla bourbon peach is a fan favorite.
Yeah. Can you eat it just by itself? Because it sounds pretty good.
Just throw a dollop on some vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
Goes great on a grilled cheese sandwich as well.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, big time. Now what I'm doing is I'm just taking the 3/4 of the other wheel of cheese.
Okay.
And I'm gonna start pulling the puff pastry just around the brie.
Wow, it's actually kind of staying there too, isn't it? I thought it was gonna fall off of there a little bit. But.
And I wanna have it nice and tight so that when it does bake.
And what else do you guys have at Kansas City Canning Company? Because I see some of your sodas and syrups over here, as well as, I don't know what this is, but it looks good. Pickled green tomatoes.
So basically, we will preserve anything that we get our hands on.
Yeah.
Now, the drink mixers are shrubs. It's a preserved cocktail syrup, makes for a great hostess gift, or if you're hosting company and you want to batch a big cocktail and you're having a bunch of people over, it's a quick and easy way to do that and make a delicious cocktail at home.
Good stocking stuffer here with the Meyer lemon lavender shrub. Now, what's a shrub? Because I've never heard anything called that before.
A shrub is actually it was a way to preserve fruit juice through the winter prior to refrigeration.
Oh, really?
And then the hipsters got their hands on it, started making cocktails with it, and I jumped directly on that train because it's a tasty treat. It's a nice alternative to other sweeter mixers.
So then you mix that with your vodka, your gin, or whatever?
2 ounces of that, 2 ounces of pick your poison, top of club soda, and you're good to go.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's get back to our brie here. So you've got it all formed up there, it looks like.
Absolutely. And usually when you trim the puff pastry, you're going to have a little bit left over. And what I like to do is just kind of give that a little bit of a roll. Okay. And as you're rolling, just going to peel back.
Oh, cool.
Peel back, and you make a little topper.
Got a little flour or something look like that?
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look at that.
Right on top. And this way, it's not only delicious, but it's decorative.
There you go, and it bakes up real nice, and you've got a finished product over there on the cutting board. And real quick, what else do you guys have here at Kansas City Canning Company? I just followed you on Instagram, so you got everything posted on your Instagram. I know at is it Kansas City Canning Co.
Yes.
And then,
So again, with the holidays coming up, you know, there's many different ways you can incorporate our products. The quick and easiest probably is to dump our 7 pepper jelly on a block of cream cheese. It's a fan favorite. Yeah. Everybody loves it. You can't go wrong.
With some wheat thins.
Done and done.
Done.
And then what I also did, because it's that time of the year, made a cheese ball.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what we did, again, cream cheese, our rosemary fig spread, which is a seasonal item.
Excellent.
And mix that all up together, form it into a ball, covered it in ground walnuts.
There you go.
You really, I mean, you can't go wrong with cheese.
Well, Tim, thanks for being here. I appreciate learning more about Kansas City Canning Company. I'll definitely check you out on Instagram and get some stuff for our friends this holiday season.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
All right, Belinda.